Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the memory module, remove the 6 screws on the base cover. Loosen the 2 captive screws on the back of the base cover. Pry the cover off the system to remove it. Find and unplug the battery cable. Identify the memory module and unlatch it. Grasp the module by the edges to lift it out of the system. To reinstall the memory module, place it back in the system and relatch it. Plug in the battery cable. Place the base cover back on the system and secure it with the 8 total screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.